How to swap USDT to Sol on Phantom Wallet. This tutorial will guide you through the process of swapping USDT to Sol using the Phantom Wallet. Whether you are new to cryptocurrency or an experienced trader, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the Phantom Wallet interface effectively. Visit the official Phantom website or your device's app store. Choose the download for your respective platform. If you are new, select Create a new wallet and follow the prompts to set up your wallet. If you already have a wallet, select Import Wallet and enter your recovery phrase. Remember to write down your recovery phrase and store it securely. Enable any additional security features offered by Phantom, such as biometric locks or a passcode. Now, open your Phantom wallet and log in. Select the deposit option. Choose USDT from the list of available tokens. Follow the instructions to transfer USDT from another wallet or exchange into your Phantom wallet. Locate the swap option in the Phantom wallet interface. Choose USDT as the token you want to swap from. Select Sol as the token you want to swap to. Input the amount of USDT you wish to swap for Sol. Review the estimated amount of Sol you will receive. Check the transaction fees associated with the swap. Click Confirm Swap to proceed with the transaction. Swapping USDT for Sol using the Phantom wallet is a straightforward process. By following this guide, you can confidently manage your cryptocurrency transactions. And remember to keep your wallet secure and stay informed about current market conditions. Happy trading!